I'm looking for project management job on different portals, I do come across this Scrum Master kind of role.
Okay.
Just out of interest, I was googling, and I
Hmm.
did this agile online certification and all that. So got to know a little bit about it. So would that also be something that I can look for, or that is completely different, and I should not focus
Um,
solely?
so the role of Scrum Master is actually not the role of a project manager. These are two different roles. The reason for uh, the reason for these two being used interchangeably is has to do with the IT industry, the software industry, because most of the projects in the IT industry today are being delivered using the agile way of delivery, Scrum methodology, basically. And in Scrum, you don't have project managers, you have Scrum Masters. So that is why you have this openings of Scrum Master, and that is why you're seeing this role of Scrum Masters on different job portals. This is essentially software projects that they are delivering. So while there are definitely, I would say, similarities between the two role, uh, these are not roles that should be used interchangeably. If you are a project manager, what that means is you have delivered projects in several different ways, right? You might have used the waterfall methodology, the traditional project management, 5 steps that we talk about. You might have used agile, you might have used within agile, you might have used scrum, you might have used scaled agile, you might have used extreme programming, whatever. So as a project manager, you could have used a hybrid way of delivery. So as a project manager, you are expected to know everything, and the expectation is that you can deliver projects using any of these ways of delivering project. As a scrum master, it is essentially it essentially narrows your skill down to just scrum. So agile is an umbrella. Within agile, you have a scrum way of delivering project. If you are a scrum master, the impression that you are putting forward is that you only know scrum within agile. Now, although scrum is again very, very popular, hugely popular, that is why you see scrum master job roles and all that. But this is the difference between project manager and a scrum master. So in your case, since you do not have any, I'm assuming you do not have any experience in delivering projects using Scrum, I would say avoid these, Scrum Master job roles. Focus on uh, any project manager roles, specifically the ones that are starting initial project manager positions, right? A junior or an assistant or a member of PMO or something like that.